Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick wig install. I'm back with a bob. I've been like in my bob era, and I wanted to try a bob with a side part because I haven't done that in so long. And lucky me, OMGHerHair was nice enough to send me over this bob unit. It's actually a closure. I typically don't do closures in side parts, so it was a little different for me as well. So if you want to see how I did this install in literally seconds, then make sure you guys are liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and keep watching. It's bob season, so I'm back with another bob wig install. It's just been my thing lately, like I said earlier. So I have this wig from OMGHerHair, and it is also a closure wig, but this time it's a side part. And I never do closures as side parts. I don't know why. Maybe because I like the whole like sideburn swoop, whatever. But baby, in this heat, I want whatever is comfortable and whatever is the easiest, and this is a perfect wig for that. So I'm doing a very simple install, you guys. This is super quick, super easy. I know I always say that, but like, my install is not super quick and super easy. So anyways, this is the wig straight out the box. It is a 10-inch It is a 10-inch bob, and it has a 5x5 closure, and it is a glueless type of unit as well. But I like to spray something underneath just so that it can stay in place. It didn't need any styling. I did like my bob more straight. I like my bobs really straight or curled. I was thinking about curling it, but I was like, no, not this day. But I think it would look super cute, like if you did like a grown woman curl type of bob. But I feel like when it's straight and blunt, it just looks a lot edgier. So I'm just like tweaking it and styling it, making sure it's as flat as possible and looks as natural as possible. Yes, I did put a little bit too much oil on the hair at the top, but it's okay. The hair was still moving and bobbing. So I did not do any customization to this wig until this moment here. I am slightly plucking the closure area, and I'm not plucking because the wig is too dense, because the density was perfect and looked natural. I'm plucking to break the hairline just so that it looks more natural. Nobody's hairline is straight across or is perfect, so I'm just kind of like making sure it looks very natural. And then I cut the lace. You guys see I'm cutting straight across, but I'm like wiggling my scissors as well. And yeah, you guys, that was super easy. And then I just went ahead and continued to style. The only thing I needed for this wig was literally my hair serum and my flat iron. That was it. So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and I'm just finishing my hair by adding some powder in the part because I felt like the part needed to be crisp so you guys could see what I'm working with. And I just continued to play with it. I did decide to do like a kind of swoop, like baby hair swoop, so that it looked a little bit more natural, because if I wore a side part bob with my natural hair, I would definitely probably have a swoop right there. So that's what I did. I used, did I just use hairspray? I don't think I used mousse. I think I just used hairspray because it just was laying a lot better. And that was it, you guys. So make sure you guys check out OMGHerHair. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and check them out. They always have some of the best wigs, okay, from the lace to the hair to the style. So once again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.